Hi guys, we're down at the other end of the bridge now. Here's a little sign. Look down over Warren Knowles, a housing development. It's an older housing development. It's right up there. I can tell that's Pill Hill. When I was a kid growing up, we called it Pill Hill because all the doctors lived there. Here's the other wooden bridge. It's just not covered. And the trail, we'll go back this way a little bit. You can see this side. It's actually pretty. Can you hear the water? I told Jeff I see why he likes to come here and walk every day. I guess it gets crowded here in the summer with all the walkers. We're right in town, but you wouldn't know it, would you?
No.
He said there's a lot of woodpeckers usually out. You can hear them. Where was that tree? Oh, here it is. Woodpeckers got that tree. Oh, and there's a little squirrel.
Yeah, there's a little squirrel down there.
I've seen a lot of squirrels. Yeah. Haven't seen any deer though. There's a lot of deer in the cemetery, and this is back in where they live, I'm sure. Well, we're going to go uphill, so you're going to hear me really get out of breath now. This old woman's out of shape.
This will get you in shape.
This is just so pretty. I just wanted to show you the other end. I wish we'd see some deer for you. I'll turn around and, oh, here comes some people behind us.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm gonna get off of here. Bye.